Turn Assist 200S, Okuma B300 W, with Pallet Unload option, Phonic robot with 70 kilogram payload, double 3-point gripper for raw and finished parts. For the automated loading and unloading of CNC lathes. Raw parts are picked up from the stacker table. Finished parts can be cleaned with an air blow. The spindle can also be cleaned before the raw part is positioned in the spindle. Finished parts are stacked on a standard wooden pallet, ready for packing and shipping. This automation has numerous standard features, like clamping force control and a user-friendly interface with 3D visuals. Safety is guaranteed with light screens, floor scanners, or caging. The patented stacking principle enables high capacity on a limited surface. The Turn Assist, compact, flexible, easy to use.